welcome to another video from Creativo Solutions. We are currently going through mathematics assignment questions from the British International Distance College. Please visit our website for more information and content and resources to help you. Should you wish to contact us, you can DM us on Instagram or tweet us on Twitter. And consider subscribing to the YouTube channel so you'll be the first to find out when new videos are uploaded. We are currently looking at assignment number 2 of the maths module from the British International Distance College. We are currently looking at question number 4, so let's begin. Question 4 states, simplify, meaning we need to take the expression that's given and we need to make it more simple. So there are two parts to this question. We've got 4a, which says simplify, and they give us the number 256w to the power 256, all raised to the power 1 over 4. And we're asked to simplify. So when simplifying, you're trying to make the expression simpler, not as big in terms of having so many numbers or very large numbers. So when focusing on this expression, I need to see if I can simplify this in any way. Well, the answer is yes. This 256 would be 2 as a base to the power, let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128, and 256. So we've literally got 1 to the power 2 is 2, so we've got 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, then 64, then 128, and finally 256. That's 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8, w 256 to the power 1 over 4. Again, just to check that, we've got 2, which is 2 to the power 1, 2 squared is 4, 2 cubed is 8, then 16, 32, 64, 128. Great. Then the final answer would be 256. Great. So we've got 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 is the same as 256. That's important because we're trying to simplify this by making it smaller. Then I'm going to be taking that exponent and multiplying it in to the actual bracket because you've got a term raised by an exponent. That means multiply the exponents out. So if I take 8 and I multiply it by a quarter, I'm going to get 8 over 4, and 8 over 4 is the same as 2. And then we'll have w, I've got 256 times a quarter, which would be 256 divided by 4, which is the same as w64. I could write that as a number, so I could write that as 4w64, and that would be the simpler answer to that expression that we had at the beginning. I've removed the bracket by multiplying the quarter into those two numbers. We know that 256 is the same as 2 times 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 2, 8 times. And therefore I can then simplify and make this number a lot easier, okay, to write, and it's a lot shorter as well. The next question, for question number 4, says solve the simultaneous equation. So we have another simultaneous equation question here. So let's write down the two equations. Solve the following equation simultaneously. We've got 2c plus 5d equals 49. And I've got the other equation, which is 3c plus d equals 15. Again, the first step is always to try and make one of the variables the subject of the equation. So I'm going to make d the subject of my equation. I'm then going to have 15 minus 3c. Now that I know what d is equal to, I can take this d and I can substitute that into there. So I'm going to then insert D as is. So I'm going to have 2C plus 5 bracket 15 minus 3C close bracket equals 49. 2C plus 5 open bracket 15 minus 3C equals 49. I then need to multiply everything out. So I'll have 2C here. 5 times 15 is 75. Just to make sure we're accurate. And then we've got 5 times 3, which is 15. C equals 49. I'm going to keep the C's on the left, so 2C minus 15C is minus 13C equal to 49 minus 75 gives us negative 26. So divide by negative 13. I'm going to get C equal to positive 2. So now I know that C is positive 2. Once I know what C is, I can substitute C into that equation. Because I know what the value of C is, I can then substitute. So then I'm going to have D equal to 15 minus 3 brackets times 2. D is equal to 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. And D would therefore be 9. So if I had to substitute 9 into the actual original equation, into either one of them, let me use this one. So 5 times 9 is 45. And C is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 45 plus 4 does give you 49. So you can see that that statement holds true. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and we'll keep creating more to help you.